Hey everyone, today we will be going over how the replacement budget works. The replacement budget is a tool that helps you to determine how much you should be saving for the eventual replacements of the appliances, equipment, and materials in your home. At first, there will be nothing added to your replacement budget, so to start adding things, first click the drop-down option titled Select Category. Then you'll see two options to choose from, being short-term replacement and long-term replacement. Short-term replacement reflects items whose product life is 20 years or less. This includes all types of appliances and equipment ranging from small kitchen appliances to washers and dryers. It also includes installed equipment such as ceiling fans, water heaters, faucets, and smart home devices. On the other hand, long-term replacement reflects the items whose product life is generally greater than 20 years. It includes materials used to build your home, such as doors, windows, cabinets, furnaces, flooring materials, roofing materials, and so on. When you're ready to add something, you select that item, and then put the age of the item and how many you own. A side tile will slide out and present you some great information about the specific item, such as the expected lifespan, which gives you a quick look at the average lifespan of that product and how it can be increased just by doing routine maintenance. The home industry shows that if you properly maintain all the appliances, equipment, and materials in your home, you can extend the lifespan of them by 40 to 80%. And since HomeManager assists you with accomplishing the preventative maintenance, we have adjusted the expected lifespan of your appliances, equipment, and materials by the conservative number of 40%. This means you have a longer time to save for the eventual replacements, which reduces the amount you need to save. Below that, you can see the replacement estimate, which gives you a current estimate on how much it would cost to replace that item. And at the bottom of this tile, you can see the actual replacement budget, which tells you how much you should be setting aside for the replacement of that item and how it differs from when you're maintaining it versus not maintaining it. And after you've looked over everything, just click Add to your budget to complete the process. Once you've added a few items to your replacement budget, you will see that HomeManager will calculate how much you should be saving for the eventual replacement of that specific item on both the monthly and yearly basis. Then, HomeManager will total the monthly and yearly amount for all the items you enter. Your replacement budget total will be displayed both on the replacement budget page and in the financial summary tile on the home board. This was a quick look at how the replacement budget works. Thank you all so much for watching. See ya!